All right, the Solis 30 kilowatt inverters here at about $10,500. The model is S6 EH3P 30K03LVYDHUS. The question is, what makes more sense for my application? To buy one 30K or three 11.4Ks? Because I can get these 11.4Ks for under $2,000. And three of them is still way less money than one 30K. If you're new here, here's what this channel is about. Mining Bitcoin using only solar power. Daylight hours only, no grid, no batteries overnight, no utility bill. Just sun in, hash rate out. The whole system's automated to pull as much power as possible from the sun. When the sun's up, I mine. When the sun's behind clouds, I throttle. When the sun's down, I stop. That keeps my power cost from killing my margin. Alright, now let's get into today's video. So I care about four things: cost per kilowatt, uptime and fault tolerance, scaling speed, and install pain. Let's do the math first. Three 11.4Ks is 34.2 kilowatts nameplate. One 30K is 30 kilowatts. Cost-wise, three 11.4Ks is under $6,000. That 30K is around $10,500 per kilowatt. The 11.4 stack wins big time. So why would you buy a 30K? There's a few cases. Case one, you want less complexity. Three inverters means three breakers, three times the solar disconnects, more conduit, more terminations. One bigger inverter can be a cleaner build. Case 2, big PV input without a bunch of boxes. The 30K class units are built for lots of PV. Max usable PV input power is 60 kilowatts. Each 11.4 is rated at 18.24 kilowatts. If your array is uniform, it can simplify stringing. Case 3, if you're grid tied, your grid interface is easier with one inverter. Sometimes one box is just easier to justify. Case 4, this is the tricky one. Normally redundancy says buy three 11.4Ks. If one dies, you keep mining. With one 30K, if it dies, you're dark. So for mining, I usually want redundancy. But sometimes your downtime isn't inverter failure. It's human failure. Wiring issues, settings issues, comms issues, firmware issues. More boxes can mean more self-inflicted downtime. If you're running this more like a small commercial site, simplicity can win. Now, the mining perspective. I want systems that degrade gracefully. Partial power is better than zero power. Downtime is a hidden cost. So for my builds, three 11.4Ks seems like the winner at this stage of the game. Now the gotchas. Gotcha 1, install cost can erase savings. If you stack three inverters, you might be buying three of everything else, including labor cost if you hire that out. Gotcha 2, space and heat. Three inverters need clearance and airflow. Gotcha 3, PV organization. Multiple inverters can be a blessing, or it can be a mess of half-used MPPTs. Here's how I'm thinking about it. If you can buy 11.4Ks cheap, and you want mining uptime, stack the 11.4Ks. More capacity per dollar, better fault tolerance. I start looking at the 30K when at least one of these is true. I want fewer boxes, cleaner install, more commercial style. My PV is big and uniform. I want fewer MPPT buckets. My interconnect is easier with one inverter. Or, if you're buying labor, the multi-inverter build might actually cost more. So bottom line, most of the time for my application, three 11.4Ks win. More power, less money, redundancy. But if you value simplicity and a clean single inverter architecture, the 30K can make sense. Hope you got something out of this. If so, sure would appreciate a like and a subscribe. And don't forget about that signature solar coupon code in the description. See you in the next one. Adios.